I have been to every state in America. I have a certificate to prove it.
And today we are ranking our top 5 favorite states in the United States of America.
And to make it a little interesting, we're playing a game.
We're gonna take turns guessing each other's top 5 favorite states. You get 2 guesses. First guess, if you get it right, you get 2 points. Second guess, you get 1 point. And at the end, as a bonus round, you can get 5 points if you guess the other person's favorite city. The stakes are really high with this one. The loser is gonna have to go downtown and hold a sign saying, subscribe to Denise and Reed, and also pass out stickers for at least an hour.
I'm not gonna lose.
Yeah, well, you are, so sorry. Today we will be ranking off of this weather and climate, the people and how friendly it was, landscape and the natural beauty there, and then finally, would we live there? Let the games begin. Got my states here, got my map here.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I only did scissors the whole time. I want to guess first. Where is Denise's favorite state? Your 5th favorite state is Georgia.
Wrong.
Utah.
Wrong!
Dang it.
0 points for Reed. Put in your guesses in the comments. What's my 5th favorite state? This whole thing was harder than I expected.
I'm a sore loser. Just show me.
All right, you ready? Washington! I love Washington so much, and I kind of think Reed thought that would be higher up on the list. Every time I'm there, I just feel so alive. It's so lush, so green. When I'm there, I just feel good. I really value warm, sunny places. Seattle, one of my favorite cities, has 226 days with cloud cover that's over 80%. And that is a no-no for me.
I knew you loved Washington. I thought it'd be much higher.
I think his number 5 would be Arizona. Vermont. Dang it.
No points for you. Ooh. My number 5 is Maine.
Unexpected.
Maine's really cool. It has the most coastline in the U.S. It's actually 3,500 miles of coastline, longer than the state of California. The quaint, really comforting small town feel is really cool. They get the first sunlight in the U.S. I really like Rockport. We had a great time over there. But ultimately, the weather and the lack of diversity there makes it number 5. Maine is actually the least diverse state. I'm gonna go ahead and ask for a clue and say, what time zone is it in?
The time zone is
What?
I just gave it away.
What?
The time zone currently is Mountain Time.
I think you almost just said Bozeman, so I'm gonna go with Montana?
That's wrong.
Why did you, she's playing mind games on me.
You'll see.
Utah. Where's number 4? Gosh, this game is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Think about why I might have been hesitant about the time zone.
Arizona. Oh, you said it's currently on Mountain Time.
Exactly. Arizona has 2 different time zones. So Reed almost got me in a pinch. Arizona, if you don't know, does not abide by daylight savings. Why did I choose Arizona? Well, many reasons. The green forests of Arizona, near and dear to my heart, as well as the red rocks. I like water sources near me, which is why it's lower on the list. But Arizona actually has 128 rivers and 5 major lakes. And on top of that, it has the only 7 wonder of the world that is in the United States, which is the Grand Canyon. I know about Reed that he loves green spaces.
She has a conviction here.
You love green spaces, but I think you're also very sentimental. Vermont.
Nope.
Oh, what do y'all think? I need a clue. What's the time zone?
Central Time.
Louisiana?
My 4th favorite is Wisconsin.
What in the heck, Reed?
Yes, Wisconsin is very special to us. Door County is the gem of the Midwest. The landscape and beauty in Wisconsin is very gorgeous. You have the Apostle Islands, you have Lake Superior and Lake Michigan, and then you've got Door County right there. Cool sports towns like Green Bay. Also, who doesn't love a good Midwesterner? Come on, the people are great there. Wisconsin is the 4th best state in the United States of America. On to number 3 for Denise. Give me a clue. I'm using my last and final hint here.
What have we avoided the last couple years?
The winter? That's the clue. What have we avoided? Okay, it's a riddle, not a clue.
Just think about that.
I'm gonna guess California.
Correct.
Yes, 2 points.
Because I gave it was too easy.
No, that wasn't. First 2 points of the game.
We have avoided the cold in Florida, Baja, and California. I love being places that are warm, and California has one of the best ranked climates in the United States. San Diego is known to be the first, and Santa Barbara is close second.
I do love San Diego.
We spent last winter there, the entire winter, from San Diego, all the way up through
And beyond.
and beyond.
And beyond.
I love that there's ocean nearby. That's something that's huge for me, is having a body of water nearby. But the thing that keeps it from being higher on my list has to be the cost of living. Groceries are 12% higher than the national average, and utilities and transportation are 41% higher.
Goodness. All right, California. While I like your beauty, I don't like your costs. I gotta look at my notes here. Okay. All right, I remember what my third one is now.
I'm gonna have to guess Vermont.
Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna guess Arizona.
Dang it! One
Yeah!
point for Denise. Arizona is a crazy, diverse state geography-wise. You have the Grand Canyon, obviously, but then you have forests surrounding it. You go down, you have the Sonoran Desert where there's saguaros, beautiful big cactuses, but also you have skiing and Flagstaff. There's just such a wide range of things you can do in Arizona. There's a massive amount of national forest land. If the climate wasn't so hot, I would maybe even have this number one. How does it feel to have some points on the board?
It feels so darn good.
Well, don't get used to it because you're not getting any more. For number two, I'm gonna go with Oregon. Is that right?
You got that right!
Yes!
What the actual heck? I'm pissed. Oregon is incredible. Anyone who knows me knows that I love Oregon. It is not number one for a very specific reason that I'll disclose later. Oregon is less cloudy than Washington, but has all the perks.
Yeah.
It has the green, lush areas. It has the waterfalls.
Yep.
It has the beautiful bodies of water. I also have incredible memories in Oregon. We got to caravan with a group of our friends for a couple months to Crater Lake. We went to some hot springs. We also spent some time in Bend. And the memories I have there, dancing on the coast, going whale watching, I will hold with me for the rest of my life.
What is my number two? You won't guess my number two. Hey,
I gotta take my hint.
I already gave you a hint.
No, that was unprovoked.
We're gonna pause the video while I think of a good hint. I'm not gonna be pressured by time. All right, the two famous trails in the United States are the Appalachian Trail and the Pacific Crest Trail. This state lies along one of those trails.
Okay, I'm gonna guess California.
Nope.
What? Wait. What are you talking about? Oh, this is stressful.
Do you know it?
Is it also Oregon?
Yes!
Yay!
Our second states align. How
Yay!
cute is that?
That's so cute. I get a point.
Oregon is a great state for all the reasons that Denise just said. The landscape and the beauty is a 10 out of 10. The people are very friendly. And then just the culture around outdoor activities is very, very, very strong there. Oregon has skiing, it has surfing, you got mountains, coastline, forests. It really has it all there. It's really hard to beat just because of that alone. But it's also got the last blockbuster in the entire United States. It is one of 2 states that requires legally to have a gas station attendant come and pump your gas for you. Last time we were in Oregon, I totally forgot about this, and we pulled in and it was late at night, and this woman was like creeping up on us. I thought she was trying to rob us or something. I was like, what the heck is this? And then I realized she had like a little name badge, and I was like, oh, she's just trying to pump our gas.
I'm losing, and it's bumming me out.
Get ready to hold that sign on Broadway, baby. I have a conviction in my heart that she is a homer and she picked Colorado as her favorite state. Yes! Is that so? Colorado with the mountains so high and the valley so low.
He's gonna win, y'all. Okay, Colorado has over 300 days of sunshine. When we got on the road, I was so ready to leave Colorado. I was like, get me the heck out of here. I've lived my whole life here. It is time for me to spread my wings and fly like a baby bird, get out, see the world. There's something so special about this state. It can't be understated how beautiful the mountains are here. It is sunny. It has skiing. It has hiking. It has almost everything you could ask for. I only wish that there was a beach.
We still have one more round to go. She's gonna guess my state, but also we have the finale of guessing our favorite city in the United States.
For
And that's worth
5 points.
So she's not mathematically out of it yet. She's in it to win it,
I'm
baby.
still in it. It's a little dark, folks, but we're gonna lighten your life.
Yeah, sun's going down, just like Denise's chances of winning.
No, I'm still gonna win.
Can you guess my favorite state, buddy?
I am pretty darn confident.
Uh-oh.
I am pretty convinced I know exactly what it is.
All right, shoot.
You know, because we cute like that. I'm gonna guess that your favorite state is Colorado, too.
She is correct.
Yeah!
Our top two are the same.
That is adorable, honestly.
Colorado is the centennial state because it was founded exactly 100 years after the Declaration of Independence. I love skiing and snowboarding. It's got so many cool mountain towns. It actually has the highest elevation town in the United States of Leadville at over 10,000 feet. Whew, that's pretty high. It's a great place to raise a family. It's got a really strong economy. It's getting a better and better food scene, I would say. Sue me, but it's hard to beat an alpine lake in the Rockies, whether it's the Canadian Rockies or the Colorado Rockies.
We're so cute, y'all. Our favorites, our top two are the same.
Oregon
And that
and
was
Colorado.
not planned.
No, we did this in secrecy. In fact, she found out my number 5. That is my honorable mention. It is Vermont, which I told you I was gonna make it an honorable mention, but she still kept guessing it.
Did.
Vermont is my honorable mention. It is a rolling green state. It's the most progressive state in the union. First to abolish slavery, first to give women the rights to vote. And my other honorable mention is Louisiana. Cajun, Creole, all that culture is fantastic. But also just New Orleans is, it's a very, I'm lost for words. It's so unique and so charming that New Orleans alone makes Louisiana a top 10 state in the country. Louisiana is the murder capital of the United States per capita, so there is that.
And my honorable mention is Utah. We just got back from an incredible trip through Utah. I almost put it on my list of favorites, but it's just too dry for me.
I felt like a lizard while we were there.
Yes.
But now, for the 5 pointers to see basically whoever gets this right wins the game. I'll guess first since my guess is less impactful since I'm already winning.
Okay.
I guess your favorite city, I'm gonna guess Bend, Oregon.
No.
Dang it.
I'm actually gonna have to say Telluride.
I thought it was favorite city, not most beautiful city.
It's my favorite. When I'm there, I just feel good.
feel good.
I just like walking through it. I like being a part of it. Bend would be a close second read.
That's good.
I'm gonna guess New Orleans.
Nope. Yes.
What was it? Are you serious?
All right, I'll try to.
We didn't write it down,
I'll
so
try-
you
no,
could have
It's
just.
in my notes. If you want to see my notes, I'll show you.
All right, what?
Let me pull out my notes since you don't believe me. My notes clearly state that the best city and my favorite city, objectively, subjectively, and everything in between, is Chicago.
What? That makes absolutely no sense to me.
Chicago.
No, that's incorrect.
Best
Reed.
city, Chicago, all day. If the winter wasn't so bad, it wouldn't even be up for debate. New Orleans is like 1B because of that, the weather, but it's got a freaking thriving sports community. I love sports. You've got historic franchises in the Chicago Bears, phenomenal world-class entertainment, world-class food. The buildings are awesome. Like, it just feels, every time we're there, I just feel like a little, like I could live in the city. I'm not a city
So
person.
interesting. At first, I was incredibly rebuking that statement, but now that I think about it, we did spend a good amount of time in Chicago last time we were there,
Yeah.
and there were so many free events.
Yes.
There was so much good food.
So much to do.
There was so much to do
Just feel alive.
during the summer specifically.
Yeah. Every state has its downsides and issues. The point of this video was to focus on what we love, what's our favorite. These states right here, you're gonna have a good time if you go to them. There's so much that the United States has to offer, and that's why we've been traveling for the last 3 years, is to see all these beautiful states, to break down the stereotypes and preconceived notions that you have about a place. Like, I love Iowa, and I never would have thought I loved Iowa until we traveled around.
Get out there, go explore, go adventure, and please, in the comments, let us know your favorite state and why.
Yeah. This game is over. There's one winner, one lovely, gorgeous loser, and it's time to go make her sign. So, you know, she's gonna be out there on the corner saying, Denise and Reed, subscribe, hit that like button.
Time to face the music.